Home remedies for sinus infection. Sinusitis is a very disturbing ailment. It is very similar to the common cold and can be cured using some home remedies. The symptoms of sinusitis are only less than 10 days, but chronic sinusitis can disturb you even for more than 12 weeks or even longer. The sinus infection can get eradicated from your body by itself, just like the common cold. But we must know the difference in time between common cold and sinusitis. Add moisture, your sinus may often get dehydrated and filled with pressure. You can hydrate your sinus by following procedures. Keep a humidifier in your bedroom so that nose blocking at night time can be avoided. You can prefer nasal saline drops to clear out your nose during daytime and before going to bed. You can get it from a normal medical shop and this will avoid nasal congestion. Use a warm compress. Sinuses can bring pain to your face. You can apply warm water over your face to soothe the pain. Place a warm water dipping towel over the face, touching your nose, cheeks and chin and applying pressure. It clears out the nasal passage. To reduce the risk of sinus infection, frequently wash your hands, especially when you are out in a crowd and using public places and transportation. Immunize yourself often. Be careful not to expose yourself to people with cold or respiratory ailment. Avoid smoking and do not stand on the premises where people are smoking. Use a humidifier to keep the air moist. Take good rest and sleep well so that it reduces the cold and lessens in sinusitis. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.